Hello everyone, this is Chris from Senieer. Today we are going to continue our FAQ videos. Our first question for today is, what is the difference between drug product and drug substance? Drug substance or API is any substance or mixture of substances intended to be used in the manufacture of drug product. Drug product is the dosage form in the immediate packaging intended for marketing. The second question for today is, what are the activities used in drug manufacturing? Here we use milling, granulation, coating, and tablet pressing. The third question for today is, what is dwell time in tablet compression? The dwell time means the amount of time it takes for the punches to stop moving vertically and to achieve maximum penetration in the die under the primary compression rollers. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our content. Thanks.